What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel ATN Tech, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to blur anything in Kinemaster. So basically this is a requested video, okay? So yeah, here you'll have to download Kinemaster application, and yeah, this is basically how the application looks like. So here basically what it shows before is you'll have to choose like if you want landscape or portrait or like small part of the video, okay? And now here you can see an option called media over here, okay? Just have to click on that, and here you can see whichever like video you want, whichever video you want to choose over here. Like say I just chose this photo, okay? Instead of video I'm just choosing this picture. This is basically just the thumbnail which I had made. And now here you can see an option called layer over here, okay? Just click on this layer, and here you see, okay, here you see another option called FX, which means effects, okay? Click on that, and here you can see, here you get an option called basic effects. Click on that, and here you can see get Gaussian blur and mosaic, okay? Here if you choose Gaussian blur, and the other one is the mosaic, okay? And for if you choose the mosaic, basically it is not that good. You can see this is the first, okay? You can just duplicate it, and this is not that good. But now let's delete this one. Now let's go with blur. Okay, sorry, not this. This is the blur. Just go with this blur option. So even this is also not that good. You can see just have to put about 2 to 3 of them. I'll just duplicate it, and this is the second one. Let's duplicate it. This is the third. So basically if you are using it for text and stuff, then you can use another option called handwriting, which you can see. You can use this one. If you are showing like your gallery and stuff, or say you're showing your contacts, and there like say you're showing some tricks on WhatsApp, and there you'll have to like, instead of trimming, you can just use this blur option, so your viewers don't feel like they have cut anything and stuff. So yes guys, this was a requested video, so that's it. This is just a simple video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be meeting you guys in the next video.